Here we are in Tewkesbury on the Avon, looking over towards the Severn there. Sun setting here on the autumn evening here. You can see the river's very high here. Certainly, after all the rain we've had the last few days, certainly been a lot worse in Scotland, but certainly Tewkesbury is always very susceptible to flooding, and that could be any time of the year, not just autumn and winter. Certainly happens in the summer sometimes. That's the Severn Harm over there, and normally you can walk along the path there. Got the two rivers here. Avon Navigation Trust here. As you can well tell, certainly saturated round here in Tewkesbury near the flour mill. We've got a couple of anglers here taking advantage of the high river flow here. Got the bridge over there, the cast off there, certainly path normally over there, the old flour mill in the background there, path over there alongside the flour mill, all saturated along here. They go down towards the Severn, the Avon with the Avon in the foreground here. That's the Severn down that way. Foreground here being the Avon. This is Tewkesbury, the Avon Navigation Trust here. The path all submerged in water here. Here we are on the Mill Avon. You can see how high the river comes there, and certainly make it very difficult for any potential developers to develop this into perhaps some nice flats. You can see the problem here, totally damp and an ongoing problem certainly after a lot of rain. This is Tewkesbury, down towards the Abbey. See how high the water level is. Remnants of the old flour mill there. I think they've been boarding up some of the windows here after they've all fallen out from at a time the building's been unoccupied. Towards the town there, the old heating flour mill here in a bad state of repair here. Broken windows, etc. here. Perhaps a few vandals around, heinous vandals, have made their mark. And with the path there, you can see where the path normally is, and down the centre there with the rivers, both sides, over to the left there, and certainly here on the right, more or less where those pillars are. Narrowboats here as well. Attracts a few summer tourists, probably taking in Gloucester as well, and probably coming all the way from places like Stratford-on-Avon. Tewkesbury. An evening autumn scene here. Must need a bit of dredging, I should think. All the rubbish here. A few anglers here having a bit of fun on the river here. Certainly high water here in Tewkesbury. Tell about the bridge down there. How high it is as well, even. Impassable. What's doing? Well, we can see what's doing here. And the silver lady over there. Path impassable. Have you caught anything?
It's the first one I got.
Right. I think I might caught something here in the last few seconds.
Oh no.
A couple of anglers here on the Mill Avon. Got the keep net there as well. Not sure if I'm able to. It's a small one. What have you got down there? Breeze? Is it? Well, I think my friend William would know all about these fish. But bream, sorry. Bream, and I think he's caught a few.
I want picture now.
Was it a bream?
It's a small one, yeah.
Yeah. Ah, well, you got something. Fishing on Avon.